How long would it take you to learn this secret and overcome the reason why over 30% of people yearly completely fail their fitness goal, and why over 40% of people who set goals for themselves don't even complete half of it? Well, let's see. Start the clock. Go on our website, give us your sex, weight, age, height, fitness goal, and activity level, then... Oh, that's it. Less than a minute. It doesn't get any simpler. Eating the right amount of protein, carbs, and fats are essential to burn fat and to grow muscle. Proper portioning is key. But unfortunately, it's complex, takes a depth of knowledge to do correctly. That's why so many people fail. Fortunately, we've designed our service to make your life simple. We've calculated how much protein, carbs, and fat you need on a daily basis to reach your fitness goal effectively. And once you're part of the Meal Prep Sunday family, we're even going to tell you the right time to eat your meals. And yes, there is a right time to consume your meals to maximize your nutrition. We're giving you everything. Your local nutritionist hates us because we're giving away all the secrets. But don't worry, when your meals get delivered for free at your doorstep on Sunday, the meals will still be good until your next order. And that's all thanks to our vacuum sealing technology. All the oxygen is taken out of the package, which reduces the oxidation process, which keeps the food fresh in taste and texture for up to 7 days after delivery. These meals never taste like leftovers. They taste fresh off the stove, which is important for you to stay committed to your new lifestyle. You have to like what you're eating, and you can't be bored of what you're eating. That's why our 15-item menu changes weekly, so you never get fatigued and get excited every time you receive our delivery text. Now, of course, proper diet is 80% of weight loss and muscle gain. We've designed this service so we can cover 100% of your fitness goal. So to go along with your meals, we've designed a personal training plan that's in sync with the meals you're eating. So your meals and your workouts are working side by side to give you the dream body you were meant to have. It's time you tried a service that was meticulously designed with you in mind. So we made our service have no contracts, no cancellation fees or hidden fees. We also want you to try the service with 50% off your first order. That's $5.90 a meal. You found a service you've been looking for. All you have to do now is give us a try.